Let's look now at skill rubric 3A, the Analyzing Arguments rubric. The main skill reads, Analyze the components of an argument. The components, of course, are what we've been studying, claims and evidence. There are other components listed on this rubric, but we're going to save those for later on in the year. Skill 3A is classified as an analysis skill. All analysis skills measure your ability to break down elements of language and explain how the parts function. All analysis skills share similar subskills. That's because when we ask you to analyze something, we're asking you to perform the same basic things each time. We want you to identify things and explain how the parts fit together. So the subskills for all analysis skills are identifying subskills, explaining subskills, and sometimes focusing subskills, although this will only occur on some analysis skills. Skill 3A is divided into 4 subskills: identifying claims, identifying evidence, identifying assumptions, and explaining structure. However, we are ignoring the second 2 subskills in this unit. We will introduce them in a later unit. For now, you only need to look at the first 2 subskills over claims and evidence. All identify skills have the same proficiency language, and that's because when we ask you to identify something in an analysis task, we're looking for the same things. We want to see if you can be accurate and precise in your identification. At this time, you should now fill out the this means statements on your rubric. Remember to only look at the first 2 subskills, identifying claims and identifying evidence. Leave the other 2 subskills alone for now. We'll get to those later in the year. On the next slide, you should also download the Identifying Subskill Characteristics document, which will give you some language that will help you in your this means statements.